Hello, children. Today we are going to solve another sum based on the properties of circle. Let us see here in this question there is a figure, a circle with a diameter AB. AQ and RQ are line segments. In fact, AQ is the chord AP produced to Q and RQ is the chord RB produced to Q. Angle A is 35 degree and angle Q is 25 degree. We have to find angle PRB, this is angle PRB, angle PBR, this is angle PBR, and angle BPR, this is angle BPR. So let us check how we can do this part by part. So first, we are trying to find angle PRB. This is angle PRB. I'm highlighting it with red. Now from the figure, we can see angle PRB and angle PAB. These two angles are lying in the same segment. Angle PRB and angle PAB are lying in the same segment. We know angles in the same segment are equal, hence angle PRB is equal to 35. So let's just check this, that angle PRB is equal to angle PAB, that is 35 degree, because angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Always mention the reason when you calculate these angles by the side. Now we move to the next part. We are going to calculate angle PBR. We need to calculate the second angle, this angle PBR. So for that, let us check out what are the things that we need. Look at the figure once more. Can you see the triangle PAB? Can you see this triangle PAB here? Triangle PAB. This triangle. Just focus on this triangle. In this triangle, now look at this angle. Angle APB. Just look at this angle. Angle APB. We can see that this angle APB lies in a semicircle. This angle APB lies in a semicircle. We know that an angle in a semicircle is always right angle. So angle APB should be 90 degree. It should be a right angle. So let us just summarize this once, that in triangle APB, angle APB is a right angle. Or you can also call it triangle PAB. Angle APB is 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So let's just emphasize this here. That is the first part. We have established that angle APB is 90 degree. So what can we say about the angle which is just a linear pair of APB? This angle, the linear pair, it should be 180 minus 90. It should also be 90 degree, that means. So angle BPQ, here we have angle BPQ. This is 180 minus 90. So it is 90 degree. This one, 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. So we have angle BPQ as 90 degree. Now we can check the triangle PBQ. We can check the triangle PBQ, this one. In this triangle, we know two angles. One is angle BPQ, which is 90 degree, which is this one. And we know the other angle PQB, which is 25. So these two angles we know. So we can definitely find out PBQ angle. We can definitely find out PBQ angle. How can we do that? Let us use angle sum property. So in the triangle BPQ or PBQ, 90 degree plus 25 plus angle PBQ is 180 degree. So from here we can get the missing angle BPQ. In triangle PBQ, we have angle PBQ plus 25 plus 90 is 180. So by solving this equation, we get angle PBQ as 65 degree. Angle PBQ as 65 degree. So I'm just writing it here. And I'm also writing the values of the angles which we have calculated so far. One is this one. This one we have got PBQ we have got as 65 degree. This is 65 degree. And earlier we have calculated angle PRB as 35. This was 35. Just noting it down on the figure. So now as we have angle PBQ as 65, we can definitely now calculate the linear pair which is angle PBR, this one, linear pair. What is that? 180 minus 65. 180 minus 65, which is this one. 180 minus 65, that is 115 because they are linear pairs. So ultimately, we have calculated angle PBR as angle PBR is equal to 115 degree. This was the second angle which we had to calculate, which is angle PBR, that is 115 degree. The first angle which we calculated, we are just going back there. The first angle which we calculated was angle PRB, which was 35. And the second angle which we have calculated, angle PBR, that is 115. Now we are left with the third angle, which is angle BPR, which is angle BPR. Let us go there. Again, let us consider this figure. Where is BPR? Let us check. BPR, this one. Now, this one is very easy because now we already know this. We already know PBR. These two angles we already know. So, we can directly use angle sum property to calculate angle BPR. So, in this triangle PBR, using angle sum property, we can state that angle PRB plus angle PBR plus angle BPR is 180. So 35 plus 115 plus BPR is 180. And we can just solve this equation to get BPR as 30 degree. We can solve this equation to get BPR as 30 degree. So this is our BPR 30 degree. So we have calculated now all the three angles which we were missing.